This time around, the 2018 Bugatti Chiron. Let's watch this.
Bugatti is celebrating a world premiere at the Geneva International Motor Show. The French luxury brand is unveiling the Bugatti Chiron, the most powerful, fastest, most luxurious, and most exclusive production super sports car in the world. The Chiron is the latest generation of the ultimate sports car and is a completely new development. The sports car manufacturer from Molsheim, with its long tradition, has taken the unique features of a modern Bugatti to a new level and developed a high-performance machine that has become significantly better in every aspect. With a power output of 1,500 horsepower, unprecedented for production vehicles, an exceptionally high torque value of 1,600 Newton-meters, between 2,000 and 6,000 RPM, and a wide variety of technical innovations, the Chiron sets new standards in every respect. The Chiron is therefore very well positioned to become the next world speed record holder and reach a maximum speed significantly above the record currently held by the Bugatti. The manufacturer has limited the maximum speed of the new car to 420 kilometers per hour for road use. The Chiron is to be built at the company's headquarters in Molsheim. Only 500 of these exceptional cars are to be produced. The basic price is 2.4 million euros net. Currently, advance orders have been received for 1/3 of the total production run. The first vehicle is due to be delivered to a customer this autumn. The Bugatti Chiron is the world's first sports at 2,000 to 6,000 RPM with tremendous effectiveness, extremely high safety levels, and unprecedented comfort.